are delighted to welcome you to the much awaited moment of the year, our annual day celebration, Mariotsava 2025. As Albert Einstein once said, the true sign of intelligence is not only knowledge, but also imagination. We draw inspiration from this powerful thought. So, the theme for Mariotsava 2025 is incredible.
Dear honorable guests and parents, we extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Tonight, get ready to witness moment of awe, creativity and boundless imagination that will leave you spellbound.
Let's come together to make this evening unforgettable as the magic of Mariotsava unfolds before your eyes. It is not just asking, it is a longing of the soul.
We begin this special evening with a prayer dance, expressing our gratitude and seeking God's blessings. Through this dance, let us unite in devotion and offer our hearts in prayer. For sharing this beautiful and meaningful moment with us.
Let us all arise for the Telangana anthem.
ఇటు. వస్తే బాగుంటుంది.
Your steady hand on the commitment in realizing education certainly motivates us. Thank you for remaining a fountain of moral support to our institution, and we salute you for your concern and accompaniment in our growth. We welcome you, dear Father. In the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all the directions. Amidst us, we have such striking personalities. Reverend Father Joseph Vandanathan and Reverend Father Mariotsava SPD. Both have battled against all odds and reached this responsible position today. Both are highly passionate towards the education ministry. We have our special guest with us.
And Augustine from 7th class.
Sir, look here, sir. Sir, ready, sir? Sir, look here. Sir, itu. Sir, itu, sir. Right. Sir, done. Sir, ready, sir? Look here.
Our people, it is if give whatever you can. What I can give is only this. You are coming and disturbing me every day. I can giving this for me, but give something to our people who are in the orphanage. Sorry sister, take. Sorry sister, you opened my ears, through which opened my heart. Take whatever you want. If you judge people, you have no time to love them. We are called to love our people. Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love.
Do you think it is quite easy to be like Mother Teresa? I am sure it is not that easy, my dear. Of course, I agree with you. but you don't have an angel of mercy, you can like the top shopkeeper who changed himself and helped the poor in whatever way he could.
Thank you all on behalf of the management, staff, and students of St. Mary's High School. We are reminded that every moment is a gift. Today, as part of our annual day celebration, Mariotsava 2025, under the theme Incredible, each moment has been a blessing. And we are deeply grateful for the success of this day. All thanks to the grace of the Almighty. In a very special way, I extend my heartfelt thanks go to our chief guests, Reverend Fathers, Reverend Sisters, teachers, for being part of this wonderful celebration. Thank you, dear fathers, sisters, and teachers. I would like to express the valuable support of our non-teaching staff, parents, dance masters, technicians, decorators, sound and light, and our well-wishers who tirelessly worked to shape the future of our students. Thank you, dear friends.
Let's give them a big round of applause. Master Garu, you have done a good job. We are very happy and thank you.